mag-save sa paano mag-save ng picture sa Instagram. Tuturuan ko how it works. Let's go. Okay, so open Google Chrome and wait for it. Sorry guys, and search here Snapping AI Instagram. Click yan. This download Instagram video photo. Tap mo yan. So yan, copy paste. So home again. Punta tayo sa Instagram. Wait a second. And search. We're here. Kung anong gusto niya dyan. I have an example. Save. And for example, this kay Crush. And this end. Ito, copy link. Copied. Back again. Back sa Google Chrome. And paste it here. Yan. Then down. So, wait for a second. Yan. Pili kayo. Yan. So, for example, this. Download file again. Yan. Go back again. Go here. Makita mo din. Yan. That's how it works. Ayan guys, that's all for this video. Naturuan ko na kayo kung paano mag-save ng pictures sa Instagram. See you on next video.